Hello everyone, Paul Browning here. So the title isn't a clickbait. This is actually me giving away my book, the 6th edition of Cisco CCNA Simplified, your complete guide to passing the CCNA, the latest CCNA exam. So I can't remember the code actually, is it on here? Yeah, 200-301. So 2001, 2002, 2003. So this is 32 labs that you follow along, 45 mini labs where you just test one or two commands quickly, and it covers all of the syllabus. Some things in here you'll say, oh well, hang on a minute, that isn't in the syllabus. Trust me, I took the exam and you need to know these topics, and I can't say more than that for obvious reasons. There's an agreement you have to sign with Cisco. So this is the entire book online. If you go to my website, howtonetwork.com, as it's spelled, as it said, you put it in, and you go to free IT training, free CCNA study and lab guide, just click on that. You don't need to give me your email, you don't need to join anything, and this is just me explaining what you're getting. There's a link to the version on Amazon if you wanted a printed copy. Excuse me, very unprofessional. So this is the printed copy if you want it. But if you've already got a book and you just wanted a backup study guide, so the Cisco book talks about troubleshooting OSPF, and you want to see my suggestions, then you can come and do that. So here's every single chapter of the book, and then you click on it. I'm just adding images for the last couple of chapters. If you go there straight away, just give me a chance to add those. So if I choose something, maybe spanning tree, you'll click on that, and any second now it opens up. So a little introduction to spanning tree, and then here's the clickable contents. So you can either scroll through and read the whole thing, or if you're stuck on something, for example, spanning tree security, you can just click on that and it scrolls you straight down to the relevant part, and you can look at the images. And here, for example, I'm quite lucky here that I just landed on a mini lab. So how do I configure BPDU guard? Well, this is a mini lab. Most of them you can do a packet tracer. Bear in mind, packet tracer is quite limited, especially for show commands. So if you can get hold of a switch somewhere, we've got some live equipment here, but that's members only. And then you follow along with my commands. So you configure this on your switch. This should actually work on packet tracer. Oh, actually, sorry, the BPDU guard. Try it for yourself, see if it works. And then you'll go ahead and you can read about the next topic here, BPDU filter. So that's it. I hope it helps. There's over 800 pages actually in the printed book, so this covers everything I can think of for the CCNA exam. So yeah, that's it. I hope it does help. And there's a 101 labs book, Cisco CCNA, that if you want to do hands-on labs, I'll put a link in the description. If you're interested, the websites, there's a link to the website in the description as well. It's $1 for a trial. We've got the entire CCNA, a coaching course to coach you through the CCNA, and all of these exams are included, from CompTIA, TCP/IP, Microsoft, ethical hacking, wireless certification. If you're interested, as I said, there's a link in the description for a $1 trial. So enjoy. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe as well. It really helps. I've got another free study guide coming out next week for the CompTIA Plus, and obviously if you click on the thumbs up and the bell, then you'll get the video notification. All right, so best of luck with your exams. Drop me a comment, and I'll see you in the next video.